So today
huviteema slaidi mul ei ole, aga igapäevaselt ma töötan
I'm
Roche Eestis.
representing
Me uurime, toodame ja müüme harvikhaiguste ravimeid.
the Association of the Pharmaceutical Companies in Estonia.
Millest
I don't have
ma räägin
a
siis
slide
veidi.
about the conflict of interest, but I do work at.
Hästi palju on kõlanud sellel
So
teemal,
what am I going to speak about
lapsed
today?
harvikhaigustega lastel on raske saada uuringutesse.
A lot has been said about how it's difficult for children with rare diseases to get into clinical trials.
ravimite kättesaadavuse viis. Ma tahan rõhutada seda,
Clinical
uuringud on
trials are one way that medicines can be
uuritakse
accessed.
ravimeid.
But I would like to emphasize that the aim of clinical trials is to assess the effectiveness and safety of the medicines.
on võrdlusuuringud, siis võib
When
juhtuda ka
we are
nii,
dealing
et
with
kui laps
comparative
läheb
studies
uuringusse
or
ja ta
trials, then it might happen that
siis ta tegelikult saab parimat ravi, mis üldse täna on, aga mitte seda
then we have two options. The
see koht on, mille juurde
child might get the best treatment available, but not the innovative treatment.
Ma räägin täna lihtsalt nagu tausta, et miks on
Today I would like to open the background. Why are specific trials needed for children? Why can't we expand the data about adults? On adults, children? I'm going to speak about the European regulations. I'm going to speak about real life. What are the bottlenecks? What are the benefits? Why is it difficult to conduct trials in children? Adults are adults. Their body is
lõpus, kui jõuame
matured.
millised
Children
võimalused
are
peale
developing.
uuringute veel on,
In the end,
kättesaadavusprogramm.
I will speak about other opportunities in addition to clinical. And these slides will be available to everybody. So the slides at the end might prove very useful. They speak for themselves.
Eesti keeles siis võib-olla üle, et mida siis
Some of
veel teada, kui tema laps
what
osaleb ja millega
I'm going to say has been said here before, but I will let you know then again what a parent could do.
öelda ka, et tegelikult laste füsioloogia on väga erinev täiskasvanute.
So why are clinical trials conducted on children? As I told you before, children's body is very different from that of grown. Children have a completely different metabolism, depending on how old they are. To conduct a trial on children to see how a specific medicine works, we can't have just one single trial on children, but I need different trials on babies, toddlers, and teenagers. Teenagers are the easiest group to examine because they are almost
harvikutega võib-olla see nagu kattub natuke, aga kui see laiem teema laste uuringutest rääkida, siis
also there are some diseases that only children have. We know that children are being vaccinated against certain diseases which only children get. So in order to test for these diseases, we need to conduct trials. Also, administration is very important. When you have a baby or a toddler, then it's better to have a chewing tablet, some sort of an infusion. The large capsule that adults have a hard time swallowing is not suitable for children.
Ja nüüd, kui ma ravimtootja vaatevinklist võtan, siis
now from the perspective of a pharmaceutical company,
kasutusele viia läbi selle, meil on vaja müügiluba, ehk me teeme kliinilisi uuringuid kindlasti selleks, et saada
sell these medicines, and in order to do that, we need marketing authorization. And we need the agency of medicine to give us this authorization.
Miks ravimtootjad või kust tuleb see põrand, mis alusel siis patsientidele see ravi nagu pärast
we were discussing where these criteria come from, based on which we decide who is eligible for the drug. But this is what clinical trials do. They study different patients, and they want to give this medicine to patients to whom it would be effective. It wouldn't be right to administer a medicine to children to whom we know it wouldn't be effective. Now moving on to ethics and regulations.
Euroopas tegelikult on laste ravimeid selliselt süsteemselt uurima hakatud alles 2007 aastal.
It was only in 2007 that we started to study pediatric medicine.
Alles see põlvkond, kes täna on need lapsed, alles nendega koos on tulnud laste uuringud. Varasemalt neid üldse ei olnud.
So there were no clinical trials for pediatric medicine in Europe before that. So basically, children still use medicines that are actually meant for adults, that can be tried on with adults, but we know that they work because time has shown us that we have experience. But now we have the regulation for pediatric medicines, and this tells us what should be studied, how should be studied, and so on. There is a pediatric committee of the European Medicine Agency whose task is to coordinate all the activities related to pediatric medicines.
Ma olen pannud siia veel ühe märkme PIP, see on Pediatric Investigation Plan.
I also have an abbreviation here, it's called PIP. The acronym stands for the Pediatric Investigation Plan.
Kas seda esitada seda plaani või mitte, kõikide uute ravimite korral see esitada tuleb.
This plan has to be submitted with all new medicines.
Kas selle otsustab, et see kindlasti tuleb teha, see sama Euroopa Ravimiameti komitee. Ehk tootja tegelikult siin ei otsusta, kas ma tahan või ei taha.
And this decision, whether this plan has to be submitted or not, this decision is made by the agency, not the pharmaceutical. In addition to regulations, we have specific benefits for the pharmaceuticals. We want the pharmaceuticals to be interested in producing pediatric medicine.
Kategooriast erinevad, et
there are different benefits.
Harvikravimite korral saab 2 aastat lisakaitset.
For example, with orphan drugs, there is 2 years of extra protection or 6 months of priority sales rights.
Kui see regulatsioon ja see nii-öelda keskkond on nagu õigusruumis loodud, et see loodi
we have the right regulations, then this improves the situation.
Et kas lastele on hakatud rohkem ravimeid tegema ja uurima?
There was a report that assessed whether these changes in the European regulations actually had an effect. And I will talk about that report later on. But now when we have a look at the world at large, then it's not in every country that there is an obligation to have clinical trials. So you can see when different countries have adopted this obligation. So you can see we have the US here. In Canada and Japan, it's not an obligation, it's a recommendation.
Nüüd, millal see laste ravimite või ütleme, nende ravimite, mida lastel kasutama hakatakse, et millal seda plaani siis vaja?
When do we need this investigation plan when we speak about pediatric medicines? Right now, the rule is that we need this for all new drugs. Last year, we had 46 new drugs launched in Europe, and with all these new drugs, they also had to submit the investigation plan. And the decision whether a specific drug needs to submit the plan or not is made by the Pediatric Medicines Committee of the Agency of This plan doesn't have to be submitted for drugs that have been on the market for a long time. herbal
ja
medicines
loomulikult, kui
don't
lastel
need
seda
it,
tõenäoliselt kasutama ei hakata,
biologically similar medicines don't need it.
mida ravitakse, et siis ka mitte.
Also,
ja siis ka sellistel juhtudel mitte, et kui
if it's only a medicine
lastel mingi
aimed for
haiguse raviks
adults,
on olemas juba mingid
you
alternatiivid,
don't
tuleb
need to
uus
submit this
tootja,
plan.
uus ravim, aga ta ei anna väga suurt lisakasu. Ehk et me ei
And
hakka neid ekstra
also,
lapsi laste peal
when
seda
there is
katsetama, me
no
teame juba ette, et
significant
keskmiselt
additional
ravimite
benefit
lisakasu on olnud väga
in
väike.
comparison
Et lapsi
to
ikkagi
the
päris palju
present
säästetakse ka uuringutest.
medicines, then this
mis see
medicine
kõik
doesn't
kaasa on toonud,
need
tegelikult see raport ütles,
investigation.
võeti statistika, igast tegevust
Now going back to the report
et
that I
üksipunktilisi
was
siin lahti ei
talking
too,
about before,
aga mis ta näitas, on see, et tõesti
it showed
koos
that
uute
indeed
ravimite arendusega on ka lastel
with the
ravimite
development of
arendus
new
tõusnud ja
medicines,
päris suurelt, kui te vaatate seda.
there are more and more
kus on jooned,
children's
graafikud.
medicines being developed.
Et mis on iseenesest hea, aga tulid välja
And
ka
this is a
sellised
good thing.
kitsaskohad, nagu te näete selle teise
However,
pildi peal, et
in the
uuritakse
second graph, you can see that
pigem teismelistel ja
they
lastel,
tend
aga
to
mitte
focus
väikelastel
on
ehk alla 2-aastastel
teenagers
ja
and
vastsündinute
children, but not
tegelikult ravimeid
toddlers.
uuritakse väga vähe.
So there
Et see
aren't
on
many
kindlasti
clinical
kitsaskohad,
trials
millega siis
about
tegeletakse.
newborn infants and
See pilt
infants.
näitab tegelikult seda, et isegi kui Ameerika Ühendriikides 10-15 aastat varem
Here
oli
you
see
can see
kohustus,
that
siis tänaseks on need suurusjärgud, kellel uuritakse, kui palju uusi
even
ravimeid
though
Euroopas
this
ja
obligation
Ameerika
was
Ühendriikides
present
ühesarnased.
in the US
Ja
earlier than
täpselt samasugused on
Europe,
ka see, et kellel
then now
uuritakse
the
samamoodi
proportions are the
teismelistel
same.
ja lastel 2-11 aastat.
And you can see that in
Lisaks selle
cases,
statistikale siis
teenagers
muidugi
and children
siin on küll EMA
whose
tegevuskava ehk siis
drugs are
Euroopa
being
Ravimiameti
examined
tegevuskava,
on
aga see ei ole ainult
clinical
nende
trials.
initsieeritud, et
Here you can
kõik
see
Euroopa
the
Komisjoni erinevad
action plan
institutsioonid
of the
Euroopas, kes
European
vähegi
Medicines
puutuvad nii
Agency
lasteravimite kui
for 2019.
harvikhaiguste ravimitega kokku, on tegelikult pannud seljad kokku ja mõelnud, et kus
All
kohas
organizations in
mida paremaks
Europe who
muuta.
deal with medicines and children's
Rain
medicine
Laane vist ütles ennem, et kõigil on
have
üks ja sama soov.
cooperated, have come
Lõpuks
together
istutakse laua taga,
to find out
läbi räägitakse
who
tingimustes,
and
aga
what
soov
and
aidata on ju kõigil sama.
what needs to be done to do the most
tegevuskava on
important thing,
kolme
which is
plokki,
to help
et
people.
kõige suurema
This action
ulatusega
plan
valdkonnad
has 3
kaardistati
parts.
ära ja kui te siit loete, siis
First,
need on
they
tegelikult
mapped the
põletiku ja
areas
soolehaigused, atoopiline
that
dermatiit,
are
neuropsühhiaatria, kuhu alla
in the
käivad
most
siis ka
crucial state.
võib-olla päris mitmed harvikhaigused,
This included
ja ka
neurological diseases, oncology,
hommikupoolikul professor
neuropsychiatry,
hematoloogia käib ka sinna alla.
and maybe hematology as well.
Ja siis on aru saadud, et siiski on
Talking
harvikhaigustel
about
ühed
in
regulatsioonid,
the
lastehaigustel ja teised
presentation by
regulatsioonid. Et kuskil
Professor Wynn.
meie tootjana, kui me tahame lastele harvikhaigust hakata uurima ja tohkama, siis meil on neid regulatsioone tõesti väga palju, millest lähtuda.
The action plan talked about regulations.
Keskkond.
So the idea
Siis
is
soodustada
to
koostööd otsustajate vahel ja mul on hästi
make
hea meel,
the collaboration between different decision makers
meie
in
sessioonis
here.
esimene ettekandja rääkis nendest võrgustikest hästi
I'm very
laialt, ma
happy
tegelikult ei pea seda üle
that the
kordama.
first presenter
See on
spoke
kõik see,
about the
mis on
networks.
tekkinud siin viimastel aastatel.
This is something that has
Komisjoni
emerged
tasemel, akadeemia
over the
tasemel,
past couple of years.
haiglate tasemel, ülikoolide tasemel on pandud seljad kokku ja on loodud neid
So
võimalusi.
everybody has come together and
Kus
has
kohas
demanded
uurida, kuidas uurida neid
different
tingimusi, seda haritust parandada.
opportunities. Everybody wants to improve the situation, and the pharmaceuticals also cooperate. So we are all after the same goal. It's just that the regulation.
Loomulikult üritatakse ikkagi lihtsustada bürokraatiat.
Also, they try to
et need plaanid
have less
oleks kiiremad,
bureaucracy.
läbipaistvamad, saaks aru, kus kohas,
We
mis
want
uuringuid
all the
tehakse,
plans
info
to
oleks
be more
jagatud,
simple.
et
We want to
lastevanematel
share
oleks ka lihtsam seda
information.
leida ja ka arstidel oleks seda lihtsam
We want
leida.
for the parents to have an easier time finding the information, and also the producers.
Nüüd isegi kui see keskkond on loodud ja on aru
Even
saadud, kus on kitsaskohad,
when we have
et
the
neid
right
parandada, siis ma
environment
mõtlesin, et ma jätan
and
siia
we have
2 slaidi,
understood the
näitan
problems,
teile,
then
mis on need raskused, aga mis on ka võimalused.
I thought that I would still talk to you both about the challenges
kuidas need laste uuringuid läbi viia.
and the opportunities.
No sellest füsioloogilisest, anatoomilisest erinevusest
What makes it difficult then? I spoke about the physiological and anatomical difference of children.
Just selliste uuringute puhul.
When it comes to clinical trials,
Mis on selliste uuringute puhul, mis kestavad kaua. ehk et kui me alustame
that lasts for a long time,
kaheaastaste lastega,
then this is especially different. So we start with
teismeline,
children who are 2 years old. The trial is 10 years long, and by the end of the trial is teenager, so their physiology has changed, the dosage has changed. So this makes it very difficult to draw conclusions.
ja kui on pikaajalised
Both for
uuringud, siis
researchers
ka
and
lapsed
pharmaceuticals.
väsivad, vanemad väsinud,
And
täiskasvanud
with
väsivad,
long-term
kogu kõik
trials,
täiskasvanud väsivad.
children get
Sellepärast,
tired,
et,
parents get tired.
noh, ütleme ka võib-olla sama geeniravi näitel, et kui sa ikkagi iganädalaselt
I'll give an
pead käima
example
või
of
siis
gene
üle
therapy.
päeva
When you have to go
maksafunktsiooni nagu
to
analüüsi
have your
tegemas või siis
liver
südant tegemas, see on üsna
function
kurnav.
checked
Ma saan aru, et
every
haigus on
week,
kurnav,
then
aga see
this
uuring
is
iseenesest,
very
kus me peame
tiresome.
kõiki andmeid teada ja
I
kirja
understand
on
that
üsna
it's very
kurnav lastele, kui
tiresome to
vanemad
have the
haavad.
disease, but to have a thorough
Ja no
test
nagu me täna
every
päeva
week
esimesest ettekandest kuulsime, et kõik
takes
see
toll on
arendus,
children
eriti
and
geeniravi ja
parents.
harvikravi nagu vaatest on üsna ressursimahukas ja ravimi hinnad kujunevad selle
The
käigus väga
development
kõrgeks.
of
Aga
trials
kui pärast
is
riikidel on
very
kusagil haigla,
costly,
siis tõesti,
and
nagu
the
eelkõneleja
price
ütles,
of
me peame vaatama seda rahakotti, mida me
medicines
tahame,
is
peame
very
pöörduda
high.
mitte.
So we have to decide
Eetilistest ja õiguslikest reeglitest
what
võib-olla
can
väga
afford.
ei räägi rohkem kui seda,
I wouldn't dwell upon the
lapse eest
ethical and
vastutab
legal
vanem ja kui
rules.
ta uuringu käigus saab äkki
Maybe
19,
just one thing
siis
to
ta hakkab
point out
vastutama
is
ise,
that
tal on täiesti õigus
it's the
ise oma
parent
otsused
who's
teha, kas
responsible
ta
for
tahab
the
uuringus
child,
edasi osaleda
but
või
once
mitte,
the
ka nii
child
on ta
turns
praegu
18,
läbi
it's up to
mõeldud.
them to decide whether they want to continue in the trial
Mis
or
sest,
not.
et on raske, võimalusi on ka, et ikkagi püütakse ja
So
päris
things are
palju
difficult, but there are still
informatsiooni
opportunities.
tuleb nendest uuringutest. Ehk et mitte
We
ainult
get
ravimite kohta, aga ka
a lot of
haiguste kohta.
information
Kuna me ei
from
tea,
these
kui
trials,
ravim
not
paraneb,
only
siis
regarding
patsiendid elavad
medicines,
kauem,
but
me ei
only
tea, mis haigustega,
also
mis
about
kaasuvad
diseases.
haigused nendel lastel tekivad, mis nende vaimses tasakaalus muutub, et kõik see informatsioon tuleb
We
ka
can
kindlasti
see what
uuringute käigus.
other diseases they get
Ja muidugi
during the
võimalus on
trial,
see, et
what happens to their
tekivad
mental state,
Euroopas sellised
so on.
kompetentsikeskused, kus
Also,
tõesti tehakse palju uuringuid, kus
competence
osatakse
centers
nende lastega
emerge in
hakkama
Europe,
saada, nende
where
vanemate
people
toetusega tegeleda.
conduct
ja
trials,
kõik
they
sellised
know how
asjad
to
nagu
support the children
OGPF
and the
ema ütles,
parents.
et see vaimne pool
Ralph
vanematele,
Mann
need
said,
uuringukeskused tegelikult, kui see laps on seal uuringus, siis need, kui nad on kompetentsed, nad oskavad nendega hakkama saada.
when the
Ja harvikhaiguste puhul me ei saa igasse
when the
riiki
competent center is
seda
good and knows how to
kindlasti teha.
support the child, then this is a big thing.
Ma arvan, et
And
seepärast ka
it's very
laste sündide
expensive to
on ainult
have
üks ja me teeme parima, aga võib-olla mitte kõige
a
parima.
competent center in every country.
Aga Euroopast Eestisse, et Eestis on täna
But
käimas
let's come to
134
Europe.
kliinilist ravimiuuringut,
What's the
õigemini see oli
situation
jaanuari
here?
alguse seisuga käimas.
At the beginning of January, there were 134 clinical medicine trials ongoing.
Valdkonnad, kus uuringuid tehakse, on onkoloogia, nakkushaigused,
12 of them were being carried out on
hematoloogia,
children.
verevähid, vere hüübimishäired, suhkruhaigus, nahahaigused.
What fields were included? We had oncology, including leukemia, then infectious diseases,
Ravimitootja poolseid
protein
uuringuid on 5
disorders,
tükki nendest
so on.
12-st ja
Out
sinna
of these 12, 5
ja osad
were
uuringud on
conducted by a
koostöös.
pharmaceutical company.
Ja
These
akadeemilised
also
uuringud, kes on
included
siis tehtud kas
teenagers,
haiglate poolt,
and 7 of them were academic trials.
koostöögruppide poolt, et neid on 7 tükki.
Some of them are
Mitte
in
kõik ei ole
cooperation with
vastsündinud,
other
nendest
countries.
päris mitmed on vastsündinud,
Not
sest
all of
seal on
them are
akadeemiline
being
huvi
conducted
või
on
vajadus
newborns,
kõige suurem.
but several are because the academic interest need is the highest
selleks, et patsiendid
in this group.
abi saaks. Selline olukord on Eestis. Aga mida siis vanem,
So this is the
mul hakkab küll
situation
aeg
in
lõppema, aga
Estonia.
ma 2 minutit äkki räägin
I
üle.
know I'm running out of
Et
time,
mida
but maybe it's
vanem peaks
okay
teadma,
if
kui
I go
tema laps
2 minutes
osaleb.
overtime. What should a parent
Keeleteemast me
know
siin rääkisime juba.
when their child
Keeleteema ei
participates
ole mitte sellepärast,
in a
et
trial?
see oleks nagu
Now we
piirang,
spoke
et
about
kui ei
the
oska,
question
siis
of
vaid see on tegelikult
language.
selleks, et see laps ka päriselt mõistaks,
Language
mis teda ees
is
ootab,
an important criteria because it's very important for the child to understand
selgita. Aga kui see laps
what
on 9 või 10 või 11, siis
they
ta saab
will
tegelikult omal moel väga hästi aru
go
sellest
through,
ja seda peaks oskama selgitada. Ei pea keelt oskama, võib ka
what
tõlgi võtta,
is in
see on ka
store for
variant,
them,
aga see on
and this is very
finantsiliselt
important.
ka kallis.
Of course, you can
Ilmselt
get
see
an
sõltub
interpreter, but
uuringukeskustest
this
ja
is
sellest
very,
sponsorist, kes seda
very
teeb.
expensive.
Kuludest on ka juba räägitud, aga millest võib-olla täna
We have
üldse
spoken
räägitud ei
about
ole,
the
on see,
cost,
et
but what hasn't been
laste
spoken about
uuringutes
today
laps peab andma enamus
is the
riikides
fact
ka ise uuringutes selle informed consent'i või teadva
the
nõusoleku,
child
peab
has
aru
to
saama, mis teda
submit
ees ootab
the
ja ta peab
informed consent,
nõusoleku andma.
at least in
Eestis
most
näiteks on
countries.
alates
They have to
7-aastasest
know
küsitakse lapse
what
käest
awaits for
eraldi
them.
nõud.
In
et saab
Estonia, for
nõusoleku
example,
vormi.
the
See on temale
consent
omale viisil, see ei ole
must
see kõik
be
dokument, mille täiskasvanud allkirjastab, vaid see
submitted
lapsele
by a
omal
child
viisil peab
who
olema
is
allkirjastatud.
7 years
Ja
old
võib-olla,
or
mis ma
older.
veel tahan öelda, et kindlasti aitab kontakt siinse
I would also
raviarstiga,
like to
kes siis
emphasize that
leiab
it's good
ja
to have a
suhtleb ja
contact
toetab seda
with
meditsiinilises
the
keeles selle
doctor in
uuringuarstiga,
Estonia
et üksinda perel
who
võib
is
olla tõesti
in
väga
contact
keerukas.
with the
Seda kontakti ei
doctor who
tohiks
works on the
kaotada, seda
trial.
peaks pigem ära
So
kasutama.
you should keep in touch with your local doctor.
Meie tootjatena muidugi saame neid kontakte siin vahendada.
We as
Kui
pharmaceuticals
on olemas
can
Eestis
help you find contacts
ravifirma esindus, et siis me kõik
if there
teeme
is
endast
a
sõltuva.
representation of the pharmaceutical company in
mõnikord jäävad ka
Estonia,
meie käed
then we do
lühikeseks,
all we
eriti
can.
kui on koostöö
But
projektid
sometimes
tootjaga.
we lack resources, especially when it
Võib-olla ennem kokkuvõtvat slaidi veel selline, et me oleme küll rääkinud
before the
kliinilistest
summarizing
uuringutest, mis on
slide,
siis üks väike osa.
then we have been speaking about the clinical
On
trials.
hea vaadata ka seda, et kui kliinilist uuringut ei saa, et siis on need varased
But it's also good to look at other options.
haiguste korral.
We have early access
Seda tehakse
program
harvikhaiguste
for
kohal, see
cases when
sõltub
clinical trials
väga
are
palju
not
sellest ravimitootjast. Kas ta
possible.
pakub ennem
Now,
ravimi
whether
või
these
ravimit
early
väljaspool
access
kliinilisi
program
uuringuid kasutamiseks või mitte.
apply
Ja seda
to
leiab ka
orphan
tootja.
drugs and
See
rare
seisukoht on
diseases,
väga
that
erinev.
depends. There are very
Eriti,
many
mis puudutab geneetilist ravi või geeniravi.
different
Seal on hästi
scenarios
mitmed
here.
ohukohad, miks paljud firmad seda teha ei taha. Ehk et anda
When it comes
tasuta
to
ravim
gene
ja
therapy, then
katsetamiseks teha,
many
sest need
companies
uuringute
don't
käigus
want
alles, me ei
to
tea
give
nende
it
päris
away
lõplikke
just like
tulemusi.
that,
Ja üks
because
põhjus
so
on
many of
seesama,
them
mis
are
hommikul
still in the
räägiti,
research phase.
Viiruse autoantikehade tekkeks. Ehk et
So
mitte
in the morning
ära,
we spoke about
see ei ole nagu see,
the
et me
virus
tahame anda seda
autoantibodies.
vaid mitte nagu kahjustada neid
We are-
ravimeid, kui tegelikult võib-olla see geeniravi pärast ei toimigi, me ei tea selle lõplikku toimet, et tal oleks
Because we don't know what the final result of the gene therapy will be, and we don't want to ruin these children's options for future potential gene therapy.
seda vastutust ja riski ükski ravimtootja ei taha võtta ja ma arvan, vanemad
No pharmaceutical company wants to assume the
kaks slaidi, millest ma ei räägi,
responsibility.
aga mis räägivad
These are
iseenda
two slides
eest,
that I
räägivad
won't
nüüd
talk
need
about,
varased
but they are quite
kättesaadavused programmid natuke
self-explanatory.
lahti. Ehk et
So
millal,
in these
mida,
slides, I've
koostöös kellega ja mis
explained
need
these
tingimused
early
on.
access
Ja
programs
seesama
at
informatsioon
length.
tegelikult Eesti
So here you have the
Ravimiameti
criteria
kodulehel ka olemas.
and
Ja
different
võib-olla siis
information. This
kuju kaasa
information is
või
also
siis mõtisklus
available
siis
on the
teile
website
kuju kaasa.
of the
Ma siis tahaks
Estonian
ikkagi rõhutada seda, et kliinilised
Agency of
uuringud
Medicine.
lastel on vajalikud eelkõige tõenduspõhise info
So maybe my final
mis
thoughts.
võimaldavad
In children, the clinical trials are necessary to get
Nad on alati
evidence-based
vabatahtlikud ja
information.
lapse nõusolek on oluline.
Participation in the trial is voluntary, and the child has to give their consent.
Uut ja uuritavat ravimit.
When you participate in a clinical trial, it doesn't
Võrgustikud teevad
necessarily mean
üle-euroopalise
that you get
koostööd, mis tõesti
the
esimene
studied
ettekandja selles
medicine.
sessioonis juba välja tõi.
Different
Ja
networks
selleks, et
in
nendes
Europe
võrgustikes osaleda, ma arvan,
make
on hästi suur roll
cooperation
arstkonnal,
projects.
aga selleks,
And in order to be able to participate
ka
in the
patsiendini
work
ja
of these
lapseni, on
networks,
veel suurem roll võib-olla lastevanematel,
doctors
kes
have a
tahaks
huge role to
ja
play.
oskaks nõuda ja
But
küsida,
parents
et see
also
patsiendi
have a
enda
huge role
teadlikkus
to
on
play
hästi,
because
hästi oluline. Ja kui uuringus
they
ei
need
saa,
to
siis
be
kindlasti
able to
tasub
ask
varase
for
kättesaadavuse
participation
programme ja
in
need
the
võimalused
network.
arstiabiga.
And if you don't
Nii
get
palju minu
into a
poolt.
clinical trial, then it's really worth looking into early
Väga tore,
access
aitäh.
program. Thank
Kas
you.
on kellelgi mõni mõte või küsimus? Jaa, näete, siit tuleb üks küsimus ja jookseb.
That's it from me.
Väga tore.
Great, excellent. Any questions? Here you go. I'd like to thank you for that great presentation. Now, the bit that you skipped, the physician's direct application to the producer for
Seda tabelikuju ei ole.
name access.
Aga
Are those
põhimõtteliselt
forms available on the website, on the
ei, see on vaba vorm. See on
Health
selles
Fund
mõttes mitte vaba vorm, vaid see on
website?
nagu, ja teha avaldus.
No, there is no template. You should write a request. Going back to the same Duchenne muscular dystrophy. In Estonia, it's in Roche's portfolio. Globally, somebody else's. So who should we address? In the early access context, you should address Roche. Because there are trials coming up. You should talk to us and we can let you know how far along the trials are. Russia's position is that this drug will not be free. It will be on a paid basis only, because in certain countries the drug is already on sale, and that excludes the possibility of handing it out for free. How about the compassionate use program? Doesn't it apply anymore? It does not. Most compassionate use programs are concluded when a drug receives its market authorization or will slightly overlap with national funding, but they are temporary. Indeed, this is a bit vague. Bart asked me whether there are any compassionate use programs. I told her I know of some patients who have received it, but the last one I know of is SMA. When it became available in the EU, it wasn't publicly funded in Estonia. And in Estonia, 5 patients were able to access compassionate use, and the 6th one was treated with help from the Children's Foundation.
Yes.
Right? Any more questions?
Yeah, of course.
So related to the question of Dr. Una, now with the clinical trial regulation, all the clinical trials have to be registered in the European registry. So is it possible that patients know, or multi-clinicians know about the new trial that might be applicable to their patients from pharmaceutical companies early enough through the clinical trial registry to contact the company or the clinician to participate in the trial? Is this aligned with the possibility to be enrolled, or is it too late?
No, it's not too late, because if the trial is on the clinical trial registry, there is also the section there when you can see if it's recruiting. So if it's recruiting, then it's a possibility to ask that if the patient could be included or not. So eesti keeles ka vastan.
Kui sa saad.
Jah, küsimus oli see, et kõik kliinilised uuringud tuleb
And again in Estonian.
Nii-öelda alustada läbi kliiniliste uuringute regulatsiooni, ja siis selleks on oma mehhanismid ja siis sellega kaasneb kliiniliste uuringute andmebaas, mis on kõikidel absoluutselt nähtav.
There is a clinical register database, publicly visible.
Kas siis toimeaine või ravimi või
And
või selle diagnoosi,
you should
siis sealt on tegelikult näha,
search there, either by diagnosis or age, to search the trials. The result will be a table in English, and any trial marked as recruiting should be contacted to see for eligibility. I also suggest consulting with your treating physician. Thank you. There's another question, right? The tragedy of this is that Ralph's and Henry's drug is currently listed as recruiting, but they were not accepted. Indeed. Unfortunately, I'm not able to elucidate on the reasons. It depends on the center conducting the trial. Thank you.